and welcome to Fathom Soaps. Today we're making this really simple melt and pour design using temporary tattoos. For this you will need a clear melt and pour soap base as well as temporary tattoos of your choice. To get started, I just created a thin layer with the melt and pour soap at the bottom of my mold. This is the layer that I'm going to attach the tattoos to. You want it to be fragrance free so that the translucent soap stays as clear as possible. Next, I gave it a spritz of alcohol and picked out which tattoo design I wanted to use. For the first one, I just used this large heart design and I put it right in the middle. It's the same process as if you were to apply a temporary tattoo to your skin. You just want to firmly place it down without breaking the skin of the soap, and then wet the backing, patting down to make sure there's no air bubbles. After a few seconds, you can remove the back and reveal your design. And it's really just that easy. For the next one, I picked two that I wanted to use to create this kind of like hearts and butterflies design with. And I put those down and then did the same thing, wetting the back and patting out any air bubbles. Patting the back also helps to ensure that the design is sticking to the soap so that when you pull up the backing, you're not pulling the design up with it. And to get the backing off, you can use like a toothpick or a fork like I did. You just need to get that first edge up and then you'll be able to pull the backing away. So cute and so festive for spring. After the tattoos were in place, I went ahead and just mixed some color in with the rest of my clear melt and pour soap, and I'm going to use this as a backing. You can use a white melt and pour or a color of your choice. I just already had this melted, so that's what I used. And I gave it a spritz of alcohol between the layers just to help them adhere a little bit better. Once you're finished pouring, give it another spritz so that the back is free of air bubbles, making it clear from both sides. Put this aside for a few hours until it's fully hardened, and then you'll be able to just pop them out of the mold by breaking the air seal around the edges. And this is how they turned out. Super cute and super easy. You can use any tattoos you want. You could even create them for special events if you wanted to do like a birthday theme or maybe a bachelorette theme. Really anything you want as long as you have a tattoo for it. As always, thank you so much for watching. I have so much fun making these videos and I hope you learned something from them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!